Hi guys, so if you're here, it's probably because you want to know how my friend Wanda made $2,000 online. Well, we'll go through it right now. But before that, I invite you to subscribe to my channel and click on that little bell so you have notification when I post new videos. And if you want to know how to make money online and how to become a super affiliate marketer, know how to do digital courses and how to build your digital agency, please click on the link that you see below. It's mcpicardcoaching.com, and you're gonna know everything you need to know with that training. You're gonna have a one-on-one mentor to get you started. You're gonna do an implementation boot camp, so you're gonna really become the entrepreneur that you need to become in order to make it work. And you're gonna start all that for only $39. So that's how my friend Wanda started, and that's how she got to have this $2,000 commission in only one day. And she got that yesterday, so it's really fresh. I know she's super excited still, and we keep talking on the internet together, and I'm just gonna tell you step by step how to do that. So let's dive into the subject right now. So what Wanda did is that she took the proper training that could lead her step by step to her goals. So her goals was to make affiliate sales, but not any kind of affiliate sales, but high ticket affiliate sales. So it means that she found a product that she could promote out there, and she could like have a great commission, not just a $1 commission out of something that you sell from Amazon, but with just one sale, she's been able to make $2,000 in just one day. So that was her goal. But to reach that goal and to be a good affiliate marketer, you really need to take a training. If you want to just fast forward, if you want to spend a couple of years trying to figure it out by yourself, go for it. But I really suggest you to take a training. It's gonna just put you on the fast track to your success. So you can click on the link below. There's a link for the exact same training that Wanda took to get that 2K sale. So if you're interested in fast forwarding your online business development, just click on that link and start today. You're gonna really see a difference. So that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like that. Give me some thumbs up. Give me some comments below. I really appreciate that. It really encouraged me to put more content out there. So, and I reply to all my comments. So thank you very much and have a really good day.